Hello kids, welcome to my video. Kids, 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, first shape name: heart, cloud, moon, sun, cross symbol, smile emoji. Kids, colors name: first colors name: blue color, pink color, sky blue color, light pink color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, brown color, and red color. Kids, green color shapes drawing: heart, cloud, moon, sun, cross symbol, smiley emoji, light pink color, heart, sky blue color, cloud, light green color, moon, red color, sun, black color, cross symbol, brown color, smiley emoji. Kids, shapes name repeat: heart, cloud, moon, sun, cross symbol, smiley emoji. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.